Hi everybody, it's Lori. Tonight we're going to be making some yellowtail snapper and green beans. Now, did you know that there are 18 different types of snapper, 9 of which are available in South Florida? 18, I never knew. Usually use yellowtail, sometimes lane or red snapper. Those are the most common ones that I've used, but there are many more. So I got some yellowtail. It's almost a pound, 2 pieces. Were basically $25. I've got some French green beans that I could steam right into the bag. I'm already warming up my air fryer because that's how I cook most of my fish. Sometimes I will saute it in a pan, a little olive oil, prepare it pretty much the same way, only sometimes, like I said, I use the frying pan. My particular one that I like is Le Creuset, but there's many kinds. I just try to use a non-stick, and the store by me has usually lane snapper and yellowtail. I usually like the yellowtail, and they fillet it right there in front of me. So that's always a nice plus. So my air fryer should be ready in a few seconds. I have my little spice mix here already made up, and in that I have onion powder, I have some little bit of ground mustard, Italian seasoning, smoked paprika, garlic powder, steak seasoning, honey granules, and I put that up in my little container, shake it up, and that's usually what I use for seasoning. So now my air fryer is ready. Again, I'm going to use my little paper that you could cook in. It's similar to wax paper, only it's made for the air fryer. Undo my snapper here. And here we go. So this is the fillet. I've got 2 of them. I put it in here. 2 nice pieces. Getting my lemon ready. Load that up with some lemon. And did you know that snapper in the 7 to 8 ounces has 30 grams of protein? 30 grams of protein. Wow, that's great. Get a lot of protein, low fat. So it's very good for a diet. Helps keep you full. And it's good for your heart because it is low fat. So I'm going to take some of my little seasoning here. A couple of pinches. Yes, I washed my hands right before I did this. I didn't think you needed to watch me wash my hands, but I guarantee you I did. A little more seasoning. I don't know about you, but I like the seasoning, so especially the paprika. Here we go. It's going to cook for about 9 minutes on my air fryer. Remember, all air fryers are slightly different. I'm going to go over, grab my green beans, take my little knifey, make a little hole in there, pop this into the microwave for about 4 minutes. Press my magic 4 button, and that'll be ready in about 4 minutes. And I've got about 8 minutes and 30 seconds left on my snapper, and I'll have a very healthy, delicious, high protein, low fat meal in a little under 9 minutes. So there you have it. I'm going to try to continue some of these cooking classes, videos, whatever you want to call them. Hopefully you enjoy them. Please like and subscribe. It really helps. It makes all these possible. And have a good night. Happy eating. Hopefully it's fish. I love fish. If it swims some point or another, it's going to end up on my plate.